This is the glaze room. In the glaze room, we have dry materials that we use for mixing our glazes. Glazes are the stuff that we put on top of the pottery, and then we allow it to melt in the kiln and it gets shiny and colorful. Over here along the side, you can see the buckets that have some of our chemicals, and then down along here we have some chemicals as well. I'm going to take you over to the other side to look at the glazes themselves. Here in the glaze room, on the other side of the counter, we have our glaze buckets. These are glazes that we'll be working with later in the quarter. I will talk to you a whole bunch of stuff about working with those glazes at the time, talk about safety then as well. All you really need to know now is you shouldn't be drinking in this room. No food, no drink at all in this room, ever. The glazes themselves have some things that we just don't want to ingest, and we don't want to accidentally ingest if we have food and drink in here. We also will have some gloves for you, masks when we're doing certain kinds of things in the glaze room. I also want to draw your attention to some materials we have in the studio. Some of these materials are toxic or can be hazardous. This one, if we breathe it, can cause cancer. Over here, it's something we need to wear gloves when we handle. The exclamation mark means watch out. And then this is actually environmentally potentially dangerous as well. So the glazes we have are made out of a variety of these materials up here, some of which, I picked you the most dangerous one to look at, some of which are less dangerous, but the thing to be aware of is a lot of things in here could be hazardous if ingested or if breathed in. So when we get to this room, you're going to be careful. What I want you to know right now is no food or drink in this room. The other thing to know when you're in the glaze room is that this is also a storage for another material that you will need earlier in the quarter. We have a whole bunch of different slips, and if we look at the wall, it does say what kind of slips they are. So we've got porcelain slip here, we've got stoneware slip back here, it's labeled, and right now I'm not going to show you the slip because they haven't been mixed. They'll be mixed by the start of the quarter. If we keep coming back a little bit further, you can see that we have a variety of brushes. Some of these are for glaze, but some of these you can use for slip as well. Slip can also be used decoratively, and in particular the hand builders, we may get around to using some of our colorful slips. These are underglazes. They're essentially colorful slips. This stuff though, not something you're using until you get the lesson, until you get taught what it is and how it works.